Hello, my name is Elif Aslan, a software engineer here at AWS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with Arctic. Arctic can be used to validate any type of UI test without requiring special application site support. To demonstrate this flexibility, I'll walk you through an interactive JTreg test example. First, let's clone Arctic from GitHub. You can also download the Arctic jar directly from GitHub if you prefer. Arctic needs at least JDK 11 to run. Run Gradle build command to create jar. I'm going to create a demo folder. This will be our working environment for testing. I have a simple bash script here. Which starts an Arctic session, runs set password test, finishes the Arctic session, and reports the result. Let's copy the Arctic jar to our demo folder. Now we are going to set up recording and player properties. I'll set up the player properties file first. The only setting I'm going to change is RMI, which I'm setting to local only. Depending on your setup, you might want to use true or false instead. Now I'll create the recording properties. This tells Arctic where to save recordings and what format to use screenshots. I'll change the RMI setting to local only here as well. Now we are ready to start testing. It's a good idea to position your terminal so it doesn't overlap with the workbench. I recommend using a second terminal window for recording and playing tests because you can monitor Arctic and test logs better. I'm launching the Arctic workbench in recording mode. Now I'm running the test script in the other terminal. This is an interactive JTreg test, so I already have JTreg downloaded and set up. Do not move the test window, but adjust the Arctic workbench accordingly and make sure to cover the whole test window. Use the shade window to hide fields that you do not want to record. Now I'll start recording by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Z. You can see the recording confirmation in the terminal. I'm manually running the test as instructed. When I reach important points in the test, I press Ctrl-Shift-X to capture screenshots. When you are done with testing, click on Pass. When the test runs successfully, it sends a signal and recording stops. Now let's see how playback works. I'll run Arctic in player mode and then launch the test. At this point, I'm not touching my mouse or keyboard. Arctic handles all the interactions and compares new screenshots with the recorded ones. If everything matches up, the test passes, which returns a confirm message. If there are differences, Arctic will flag them as failures. and it returned confirmed. This test passed. And that's it. Arctic is powerful. This approach ensures your UI renders consistently across the different environments and catches visual regressions before they reach users.